everyone, in this video we are going to see a smart door to ensure a cleanliness against COVID-19 with hand sanitizer using the domain IoT. Let me introduce myself and my team members. Myself Presi Shalomi, my team members are Shivapriya and Almas. We are from the Computer Science and Engineering Department, final year Arunai Engineering College. So before getting into the further slides, let me give you a little info about IoT. IoT is Internet of Things, which is interrelated to the things via Internet. It transfers the data to the machines without any human intervention. Okay, the problem statement of our project is, as you can see, like 1 or 2 years before, the term safety was not important as much as like now. Due to this COVID-19, people are getting more safe as they are getting back to their regular life. The second wave of virus is spreading, we have to keep us safe at any cost. People don't wash their hands regularly while entering or leaving the room. At least by sanitizing they would be safe. So we have implemented this project with the help of our mentor. So Priya, do you have any further idea to overcome this situation?
Of course, Pricey, this is the major issue. I have an idea to overcome this problem. In this COVID 19, without sanitizing our hands, entering into the room or hall is not safe. We must take steps to prevent us from diseases that are caused by viruses. In this case, we are aimed to design and implement smart door with a hand sanitizer dispenser by using Arduino Uno. This system, that smart hand sanitizer, is placed at the entrance door. Then ultrasonic sensor detects the hand whether the person is available or not. To access the hand near entrance door, they must first sanitize their hand, then enter into the room. After the door is opened, the ESP826601 Wi-Fi module sends a message to the owner mobile phone. If anyone is trying to access near to the door, on that basis the alert message is sent to the person. In this project, we can say touch less and do more becomes true. Then, Almas, can you please go ahead with the further more details?
Well, I'm here to give you the detailed explanation of how it works through a flow chart. So if we start, when we place a hand under the sensor, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the presence of an object. And we know here the object is our hand. Arduino receives a low distance reading and instructs the servo motor to activate and dispense the sanitizer. And it will also provide you a message and unlocks the door, or else the door remains locked. There also exists a condition where if a person doesn't sanitize her or his hand, it gives you an intimation or an alert message to do a sanitization. Let's take a look onto the components which were incorporated. So here comes an Arduino Uno. So you may raise a question that why we've used Arduino Uno instead of any other microcontrollers, since other microcontrollers can also be used. So the first and foremost thing, it's come with an open supply hardware feature that permits users to develop their own kit, and also uses an Arduino code to match with the privileging programming language libraries, and it also simple to use for a beginner. And here comes the USB cable, which is used to power and program your favorite Arduino board. They are detachable for the board, and it is sometimes called as a printable USB cable. And next is a battery. Battery is used to charge your Arduino board, and we have a servo motor. So you can connect a small servo motor directly to an Arduino in order to control the shaft position very precisely. For example, to control the position of an objects like rotate objects, move legs, arms or hands of a robot, so on and so forth. And there is an ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor are used primarily as a proximity sensor. They can be found in an automobile self-parking technology and in an anti-collision safety system. In simple, we may measure a distance by using an ultrasonic waves. Next is an hand sanitizer, which is mandatory in order to sanitize our hand, and here comes a DC pump. DC pump is used to pump out the sanitizer. Jump wires. Jump wires are simply wires that have a connector pin at each end, allowing them to be used to connect two points to each other without shouldering. And we have ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It is very easy to use with an Arduino board since it's a serial Wi-Fi module. It can communicate with an Arduino board over a serial communication, and it has a built-in microcontroller, which means that you can use it as a standalone microcontroller and Wi-Fi module in one combo, which is a super cool.
Okay, now let's get started with a demo video of how it works. So when a person places their hands near the sensor, it detects and dispenses the sanitizer. And once if it is sensed, the door is being unlocked automatically and simultaneously it gets locked. By the way, when a person is trying to enter the door without sanitizing, it sends an intimation alert to the respective persons like a security alert. So this is how it works. When the button on is pressed, the security alert message is received. So the conclusion of our project is, so by the smart door hand sanitizer, we can prevent the spreading of virus little by little and people can be safe bit wherever they go. To explore more projects, check on to www.arunai.org/ideathon. Thank you.